So well, sir, now you got very tempting dishes for me.
Yes, yes.
So let's start. Let's show our viewers. This is a Rahul Preet Singh favorite vegetable khichdi made up of millets, right?
Foxtail millet.
Foxtail millets. So I want my cameraman to show this visual because after seeing it, when you eat, it gives more of happiness, right?
Yeah.
So I
You-
think we should taste it also.
Yes, yes. You don't feel heavy after having this.
Okay.
It will be very light, and this is the comfortable food basically.
Okay.
See, you will be drowsy in afternoon after
Yes,
having
yes,
the lunch,
yes,
right?
yes.
But after this, you don't hear that dizziness and all.
So I think I am having Rahul, your favorite khichdi. Maza aa gaya. And I don't feel like it's made up of millet.
Yeah, that is the thing.
That is more, more what we say that yummy.
Yes.
So I mean that's a dish or khichdi idea given by Rahul to you,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So this is your idea, I must say. That's a great idea. Okay. With khichdi, she takes papad also. So
she
what
takes
this is
the-
normal? Okay, she takes this one. So I must tell you, with khichdi, she'll take this. And pickles she likes.
Yes.
She takes pickle also.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
But this will give the spiciness. This is not spicy. This will give the spiciness to few
Favorite,
people
yeah,
want
yeah,
it.
khichdi
Yeah.
with that.
Yeah.
Okay, now what's next? This is also her favorite.
Yes, this is the millet kheer.
Millet kheer. Okay.
We made up. This is made up of foxtail millet,
Okay.
and we don't use sugar in this. This is made up of jaggery, basically.
Wow.
Yeah.
I must say, yaar. I mean, that
You
idea
should
also
try.
given by
Yes, yes.
Rahul, ma'am.
Basically, in all
She's a
menus.
great inventor, I must say. I don't feel like that.
Yes, yes. You don't feel this is made up of millet. Everything will be normal to your.
The kind of, everything is so specific.
Yes, yes.
I must say, Rahul, to you. I mean, see, I'm expressing her views also. If she would have been there, I would have really
You
complimented
can't
her.
even find the difference whether it is made up of millet or.
Are you sure
rice.
there is no sweet in this?
This is made up of jaggery. We don't
Jaggery,
use sugar.
okay,
Yeah.
that's more.
Yeah.
It's yummy. I'm having great time, I must say.
And
Okay,
this is-
now this is a thali. This is actually executive thali.
Yes, yes.
Which she actually order for her friends or relative or
Yes,
when
even
she's
when
shooting.
people use it to order this in lunchtime, basically.
Okay.
This
it
consists
says-
of flavored rice. We change this every day.
Okay, what is this?
This is today lemon rice.
Okay.
Yeah, one day this will be lemon rice, one day this will be jeera rice.
Okay, okay.
We change this every day.
This
and
is?
this is ghee sambar rice. This is also made up of millets.
Ghee sambar rice.
yeah.
Okay. And this is?
This is kurma, vegetable kurma.
Oh, wow.
And this is multigrain roti. This
So
consists.
soft.
Yeah. This
Okay.
consists ragi, bajra and jowar in this.
Okay.
And this is again millet kheer, millet curd rice.
And this is millets
Curd
rice.
rice. Curd rice.
Wow. I mean, I just can't believe it. Like, millets go the way you have come up with, and the taste, it doesn't feel like, that
Yes,
it's a
yes.
millet.
You don't find the taste difference at all. We worked in such a way that nobody should notice the taste difference. And see, this foxtail millet best fitted for our lunch items. Ragi and jowar fit for our breakfast items. So, which millet we should use in which dish? That we cracked, and that's
No,
why you don't feel
I'm
the
a very
difference.
fond of lemon rice, Rahul. So I want to taste this.
That is millet lemon, tomato rice. Yeah.
Doesn't look very. Wow, what
And
a
this is
animal.
jowar idli.
That. Okay, this is jowar idli. So soft.
Yeah. You just
Wow, it's so soft than the normal one.
Yeah.
I must say.
just color there will be difference, but in terms of taste or softness there won't be any difference.
It's more good.
Huh?
It's more tasty
Yeah.
than the normal
You can
one.
feel that jowar taste in this.
And these chutneys are normal.
This is peanut chutney and this is ginger chutney. Yeah.
I must say, I mean, I can't imagine that it is so yummy.
And this is ragi dosa. Have a try this.
And one bite. All the items are so soft and
Yes. And we don't use rice in this.
No rice. This is millet dosa.
Ragi dosa.
Ragi
Yeah,
dosa.
finger millet.
Mostly, how you make this so soft? Ragi don't come so soft
I
either.
told you, no, we need to grind for more time with less RPM.
Okay, there has a technique of doing
Yes,
it.
yes.
But
Otherwise,
if you see
this
ragi dosa, I must say, I want to show, it's so soft. See? Mostly what happened, ragi becomes a little bit hard.
Hard, yes. Even roti also, it will be kadak.
Yeah, it's so soft. I can see, if I can show to my cameraman, it don't look like it's a ragi roti.
Yes, yes.
It's so soft, see? I mean, I must say, I mean, how it is so soft. Wow. Super. I mean, I would love to advise people to come and have
Yes,
this.
yes.
And you can have a lot of health changes in your life, I think. You can have your yummy food and with this all. So Rakul, it's a great invention, I must say. Your khichdi and kheer is a great invention, great initiative. And I think more and more, as I told you, more of the items you have to discover more.
Yes, yes. Our target is for every 15 days we should add new item in the menu. In that way
Healthy
we are
items.
working. Yeah.
So that was great. I mean, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for all this
Thank
and
you.
for the healthy food tasting.
And you should try ragi
Yeah,
malt.
that's what's that?
Ragi malt basically.
She likes that. She takes
Yes.
most of the time.
This is made up of buttermilk and ragi flour.
Okay.
This is a summer drink basically. It will bring down your
Yes,
body's
yes, the
heat.
body temperature and everything. I must say thank you so much. I love the food and thank you so much, Rakul, for this great invention. So thank you so much, Venkat
Thank you.
Garu. I mean, for just sharing your journey and story. What kind of food is available? I must say the millets noodles, then millets lemon rice. I mean, these are the good things which
Yes.
people eat on daily basis. So I think we hope that you open more of the branches and
Yes.
keeps coming with
Thank
new
you.
healthy items. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that was actually a great tour, I mean, and great knowledge about the millets. That in a daily basis, if we have millets in our diet, it will actually give you a great boost. And I think the more awareness need to be done. So you can come and enjoy, have millets food, breakfast, snacks, dinner, everything. I mean, nothing to hide, you know. So for more updates, keep watching. Till then, goodbye.